Hey people, so just now the place where I'm sitting is in front of these nice apartments, and there was this packers and movers a vehicle that was standing here, and they were obviously some particular apartment. They were shifting out, and while I was sitting here, like this is beautiful, I am surrounded by rocks. I just felt that, oh my god, that vehicle will be there for the rest of the evening because shifting and moving is a very it's not something that gets done very easily, right? But that's it, that vehicle was there for 20 minutes. I had perceived it to be there, it would be there for the rest of the evening. 20 minutes and it was gone. So with regard to problems in life also, we might think that a certain problem will remain for the rest of our lives, but no, yeah, before you know it, that problem is over and gone and done with. So I find that very brilliant. So just as these tall rocks must have witnessed so much, and when you're around nature, you realize that how silly and insignificant your own life is compared to the larger scheme of things. Really makes one think. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.